So you decided you want to take social media seriously. You decided you want to start making money through your phone. You want to work with these brands. So I'm going to share with you guys 2 different routes that you can actually choose from that are both marketing tactics that brands use in order to drive awareness toward their brand and also sales toward their products. So the very first route is one that we're all pretty familiar with already, which is the influencer style route. And this route typically involves needing a big following. You have a well-engaged community that aligns with the brand's target audience. And so the whole idea is that brands will actually work with influencers, because if they can get the influencer to say that they love their product, then chances are their community will as well. Now, the second route is UGC, and this is the route that typically a lot of people hop on because you don't need a big following. You really just need to know how to strategically craft content. So this more so typically involves like marketing skills and copywriting, and brands will actually work with creators because of it. I personally believe you don't have an information problem, you have a clarity problem. So here on my channel, we simplify the whole entire process so you can start making money through your phone today. So I've been doing UGC for 4 years, and 2 years ago, I think I started to take on more influencer style partnerships. And this is the one thing that I wish someone told me early on, which is that landing paid brand deals has nothing to do with luck. It has nothing to do with going viral. It has everything to do with being strategic. So I'm going to be talking about the 4 tips to help you land your first paid brand deal and the 4 things that I wish I knew sooner in my creator journey. Now, tip number 1 is to post content that the brands can envision themselves in. One thing that we need to understand as creators is that brands don't only look if you can create aesthetic content. They look for creators that can promote their product. Now, the type of content that best displays this has these 3 things, which is a struggle, it has a breakthrough, and it also has a transformation. And this structure compels brands because it mirrors exactly how they want their product to be positioned. So I want you to think about it right now. Like, what type of content are you posting on your page? Is it just trending style content? Are you even talking in your videos? Give brands a role to play in your content, and they will come looking for you. Now, if you haven't heard of my Branding Through Breakthroughs table method yet, highly recommend that you check it out. It gives you all of the information that you need to create videos like this. Tip number 2 is to stop treating content creation like a hobby and start treating it like a business. I hate to break it to you, but social media is not a place to connect with friends anymore. I think TikTok completely changed the game back in 2020 when they introduced an algorithm that stopped feeding us who we follow and started feeding us what we engage with. So what this means for you is that every single post that you put out is an opportunity to reach someone brand new, but only if you are creating it with intention. So this also means that every single post that you post needs to have a specific viewer in mind. Because when you are consistently helping a specific group of people, you're also positioning yourself as someone brands want to reach that same audience through. And then also in terms of like running it like an actual business, start thinking or selling packages. So I never work with brands only offering one video. I always offer bundles. I always offer a 3 video package, even a monthly retainer to run their socials for them. When you present yourself with structure and pricing strategy, brands, I swear, will take you so much more seriously. Now, hopping on the topic of brands taking you seriously, you also have to start taking yourself seriously. And I know you probably hear this all the time, which is to post consistently, but a lot of times we hear that and are still not doing it. And I think one of the main reasons why it's so hard for us to post consistently is that we don't have like a big enough reason to. So I want you to actually think and sit down and be specific. Like, what is the goal with content creation? Are you trying to pay off debt? Are you trying to move out? Are you trying to make extra income on the side? Because I swear, without any goal, there is going to be no urgency behind any of this. Another way to think about it is if you cannot even show up online consistently for yourself, what makes you think a brand is going to trust you to show up consistently for them? Like, consistency is not only something to help you grow, it's also a signal to brands that they can trust you. Now, tip number 4 is to create content with intention to give something. So we go on social media to get something, to feel inspired, to get entertained, to get educated about a topic. And so we as creators who are wanting to post online should create content with intention to give something. And value does not only mean giving tips or giving tutorials. Value means your audience is actually walking away from your video different from when they first came across it. And I'm telling you, when your content gives, people actually stick around. And when people stick around, brands notice. If you can show brands that you can drive engagement on your own page, that will prove to them that you can do the same on their page. So let's run down this one more time. 1, start treating content like a business. Start posting content that the brand can envision themselves in. Start taking yourself seriously, and also create with the intention to give something every single time. If you want to go deeper on any of this, make sure you join my community. It's called Call to Create, and you can actually join for free using the 7-day free trial. And if you choose to join as a premium member, you will receive a free one-on-one call. But like always, if this video helped you, make sure you comment below what stuck out to you the most. I post content like this every single week, so I will see you in the next video.